Kuyabana ne? Imi akubandi bafethu kunomoya. Sanibonani, dumelangi, absheni bafethu. Back again, back with another video. Sabelo umfana kamdluli. Remember bafethu, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below. And yeah. But happiness doesn't last, ne? Yeah, let's talk about it. Bafana have been officially, when I say officially, we've been officially docked 3 points in our qualifier, World Cup qualifiers. We are now second in the group to Benin on goal difference. But Jesus Christ, why always suffer? Shout out to Mario Balotelli. Why always suffer? Why do you always have to be the problem? Why? Danny Jordan, everyone, Ivan Khoza, team manager, Vincent Tseka. You are the brother who was supposed to check these things. Why do you have to be there but you don't do your job? Why do you get paid whatever amount you are getting paid? Why do you do that? Why? Incompetent. In South Africa. What's happening in this flipping country? We cannot get anything right. When I say we, and I mean we, black people. The Springboks, Bafethu, well organized. They've lost how many games? I don't know, because I cannot count how many games they've lost. I've only seen Ama Springboks lose 1 game this year. Bafana haven't lost a game since AFCON. No, I'm lying. Since the start of the qualifiers, when we lost to Rwanda? Yeah, we lost to Rwanda away. How does this shit make sense, Bafethu? How can Amajita and the Spansabo on the field, but the people who are upstairs cannot do the simple thing? When the squad was announced, Bafethu, the squad Bafana that played against Botswana. When it was announced, when Mokoena was chosen, the team manager, Vincent Tseka, Vincent Tsek, Vincent Tsek, Vincent, yes. Why didn't you look ama suspension, all that admin shit? It's your job. You are paid to do that. Udla imali yama taxpayer, udla imali yama supporter for you to do that simple job. When Mokoena was called, when the squad was called, obviously, you look at the data, you look at how the players have been playing, how ama yellow card, ama red card, all that shit. Admin, inte simple. I can even do that job. A fucking 5-year-old can do that job if you give him my instructions. Good. Nana, wenza kanje. Simple. When that squad was called, first thing, you check the players, check ama yellow card, disciplinary issues, you check health, whatever. Then you identify the problem. You tell Hugo Boss, hey, you cannot choose Mokoena. Okay, you can choose Mokoena, but Mokoena is suspended. He cannot play this game. Simple as that. Now, guess what? Just because you didn't do that simple thing. And this is Botswana at home. We won 3-0. Easy game. Mokoena was not needed for that game. I swear to God, Mokoena was not needed for that game. Never mind if he wasn't suspended or suspended. He was not needed for that game. Listen. Oh my God. SAFA has ruined us, Bafethu. Ama Nigerians, amakwang, are happy manje. They're doing videos. Twerk. Shebe shit, shout outs. Twerk laphaya. Bajabulile ama-Nigerians. Because they've got this little hope. They're gonna qualify for a World Cup. We are only 3 points behind them. We are only second, number one, Ushange 1 goal. Come on, Bafethu. Heads need to roll. I'm sorry. Danny Jordan, I know he's not gonna be out of your office anytime soon. But after this qualifiers, someone needs to tell Danny Jordan, you are not coming back after this. There is no coming back from this, Bafethu. Do you understand if Benin win a game while and they win their games comfortably? Yeah, qualify Benin. Tina, we might end up second. May say go qualify are nonsense. Do you understand that if finishing second is not a nice thing in these qualifiers? Because in order for you to get to the World Cup, you have to play, I think, 8 games maximum. You play against African counterparts, then you either countries from Asia, CONCACAF, and I think in Europe, if I'm not mistaken. Then shafula, final, semi-finals, final, semi-final. You're gonna actually play 3 semi-finals to get to the final. Nigerians are laughing, are happy, they are doing whatever they can. But let me tell you something. Nigerians, forget about qualifying for your World Cup. Forget about it. Because you know why? And when I say forget about it, you men have to play number 1. Benin. You men have to play Benin. And guess what? You beat Benin, we beat Rwanda. We are top. Simple. It's a win-win situation for us at the end of the day. But Safa is fucked up. They've screwed up. Nah, South Africa is a fucked up country, Bafethu. Ayikho isithola right kule country. What's happening now in this country? The Madlanga Commission. Julius Malema ngapha. SUI SUI investigation, tender, probe, corruption, Ramaphosa, Maumela, Ket Matlala, Katie Molefe. Now nisilethele ezinye inkinga ezinye manje. Safa. Hayi nayenza indaba Safa bafethu. I beg we win both our games, because if we win both our games, we are guaranteed to qualify. If Benin has to beat Nigeria, by the way, them two are going to cancel each other. But Tsek Victor, Vincent, Tsek Vincent. For Tsek Vincent, man. No, man. Heads need to roll. Sack this guy. Sack all of them. I don't care. Sack all of them. Danny Jordan, you have made an enemy out of every South African. Because you know why? Since you've been in power, we have not qualified for a World Cup. I repeat, since you've been in power, we have not qualified for a World Cup. Deep that. Don't tell me about the 2010 World Cup. No. We did not qualify. We were the host. Because we were hosting the shit. We were the host. We cannot qualify because yithi simeme abantu ukuthi izani nizodlala la, izani la eMzansi. Sinvitile for i-barbecue, sinvitile for i-braai. Bonke siba invitile. We didn't qualify for the 2010 World Cup, Bafethu. The last time we actually qualified for the flipping World Cup, 2002. How old was I in 2002? Jesus Christ, I was 9 years old. 9 flipping years old. When I saw Ronaldo, Ashai Mohawk. I saw Ronaldinho, Mazinho Q, the greatest player I've ever seen. I saw Zinedine Zidane. I saw Benny McCarthy scoring against Spain. I saw Andre Arantes adlisa against Spain. Butterfingers. This is an absolute bullshit. Bullshit. So the statement for me, FIFA said, let me read out the statement, Buffett. So the statement goes like this. Bafana had retrospectively forfeited their 2-0 win over Lesotho. We actually won 2-0. I thought we won 3-0, as well as there are 3 points and 2 goals attained in that fixture. Yeah. We've been docked 3 points. We've been docked. Lamak goals is scorile. Yeah, ne? The new result from the clash will now be 3-0 in favor of Lesotho. Wow. Lesotho bengekho kule game le. They won't even qualify. That's my problem. The FIFA Disciplinary Committee has sanctioned the South African Football Association for having fielded an ineligible player, Teboho Mokoena, in the South Africa versus Lesotho match played on 21 March 2025 in the World Cup 2026 preliminary competition. Consequently, the Disciplinary Committee has declared the match in question to have been forfeited by the representative team of South Africa by a score of 3-0. SAFA has also been ordered to pay a fine of 20,000 rand. Teboho Mokoena has also been issued with a warning. Let me talk about Mokoena. Mokoena did nothing wrong. Absolutely nothing wrong, Mokoena. Mokoena wins a span sakhe that day. He played and he played a blinder. I think he even scored. Jesus. He played Mokoena that game. Mokoena akusumsebenzi wakhe ukuzazi ukuthi, hey, I've got 3 yellow cards, boss. I've got 3 yellow cards. I can't play. He's a footballer. He's not allowed to be looking izinto ezikanje zama-admin. Umsebenzi waka Vincent Tsek. Vincent. Umsebenzi wakho logo, not Mokwena's work or homework. Yabona, if umsebenzi kaMokoena, Mokoena was not going to play that game because he was going to be given homework angithi. Fana ukuthi uphe uMokoena homework azena nento nomsebenzi abuye athi na umsebenzi wami naye homework. That's not his job. It was your job. It's not a job ka Hugo Broos futhi. Hugo Broos is a national team manager. Akanasikhathi sokuhlala abheke izinto zama-admin. Lo muntu lo, he's looking at players, he's watching players. Every single day, I can bet you this man is watching every South African player. Whether he's here in South Africa or overseas. That's his job, not admin. Tsek Vincent. Tsek now with Denny Chotan. Denny Chotan, the sooner you leave, I think the sooner the better. Because you have screwed us up time and time and time. Do you remember 2014? Or was it 2015? When Uchali, Litsulunyane, Kune, Spure Shabalala, that group, Mbombela, where we drew, then we started dancing. Genzola, bumping, bump. Now guess what? We're to milliseconds in mind in these 2 games that are left. Yeah. We are back again on this thing. Calculators. Fucking hell. If I don't see Bafana play in the World Cup, I will never see them ever again in my entire life. I'll never see them ever again. Lawantwana laba bazalwe nge-2010. How old are you now? 15. 15 years old. Lawantwana babazale nge-2010. 15 years old. At least I saw Bafana play in the World Cup when I was 9 years old, 2002. At least I saw them in 2010. If I don't see this crop of players, this crop of Bafana players, Abo Mokoena, Mfukeng, Mbogaz, I need to see those boys, Buffett. Come on. Come on, Bafana. Come on, Safa. It's not Bafana. It's Safa and King. Safa, you are the real problem. Danny Jordan, you are the real problem. Tsek Vincent, you are the real problem. The sooner the better. Change is needed. I believe we will qualify for your World Cup. After the end of your World Cup 2026 next year, I do not want to see this mother effing back in office. I need drastic changes, bafethu. Izinto mele zijike. Zizojika izinto, mele zijike izinto. I need to see the likes of Helman Mkelele, Mark Fish, Lucas Ratebe. That group of people, David Nyati, I need those guys to take over. Because they know how to run football. They know football in and out. I'm sorry. Danny Jordan is old. Chayile yako. On that bombshell of it, I'm out. 17 minutes into the video. Yeah. Sesobona kuzoyenzakalani. Remember, 10 October. Yeah. I think we have a week left. Then I'm a qualifier are gonna kick in back. International break. Then we see what's gonna happen. In terms of the teams that we are playing, it's home games. Rwanda and Zimbabwe. Sidlala ekhaya wonke ama game. Even though the Zimbabwe game, it's an away game, but so basically emzansi. So it's essentially a home game. You win those 2 games, we are guaranteed to qualify. I personally believe Nigeria will beat the Benin, or they will draw. There's no way Nigeria are gonna lose because they have a small chance now. They need it more than you think. Because guess what? Whoever misses out, oh my God, whoever misses out is in trouble. Bayazi Penta, football Penta. Whoever misses out, it's chai for you. On that bombshell, bafethu, ngiyabonga for ukungimamela, me renting, khuluma into eziningi at once. Ngiyaziluma ngapha ngikhuluma nesilungu at the same time. We'll see what happens now. I'm out, bafethu. Danny Jordan out.